Everything that you see me with, it be the finest. I can make it fall in love with all these diamonds. Got a few tricks that's up my sleeve, I can blow your mind with. I'm addicted to getting money.
What's going on? Welcome back to Secure the Bag YouTube channel. It's your boy Chuck is in the building, aka the Gold Gorilla, and we're gonna start this week off with another fantastic analysis on gold and Great Britain USD. Like always, every week we're gonna start off and look at the previous week on what happened and how everything played out, and then we're gonna go forward with the new setup for this week, so we can get all these pips and get this money. All right. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, you can see I got gold up already. As I mentioned the last couple of weeks, there's no reason for us to jump on the weekly or daily until the 2060 area in the buy is hit or the 1880 in the sell is hit. Neither one of those zones has been touched yet, so we're going to just jump on the 4-hour chart and go ahead and save a lot of time. And as you see here, as of last week, this was the play. We wanted either gold to come back, touch this zone, 1930, come back up to 1963, 1975 area. Then we looked for a rejection, and we want to see that come back down, or we want to see this break and go back up. We had this play happen here slightly. We got close to hitting our target zone, but we had a rejection here. So this play is now gone, which could still possibly happen, but we're going to move this over here just a little bit because I still see a setup of this completely maybe happening here. But we did get a rejection back up to the zone here. All right, remove some of this here. Let's go. All right. So we did get a rejection back up to the zone. As I mentioned always, this zone right here is very critical. 1963, 1974, right here highlighted, is a zone that we do not want to play in. We was able to get the buy back up here. We took profits right at 1963 last week, and then we was able to jump down on a smaller time frame and capitalize on a couple little buy and sell entries within this zone. But now we're gonna just leave this alone. What I'm looking for now is just cut and dry here. It's just we want to see this zone break out to the upside, and I would not be playing any buys unless this breaks. I want to say 1984, but I'm gonna say 1985 just to be safe. So we're not gonna play this unless this breaks this red line here, which is 1985, and then from there we're gonna take it up to the top. And the other play on gold would be is to see. Remove that one. No, we're gonna keep that there. The other play on gold is to see this break downward, and my zone for this will be another. I'm gonna put another red line. So if this breaks, let's say 1958 is what I see here. So we can go up a little bit higher. Let's go with 1959. Give me just a second to get all this laid out for you guys. Nice and pretty. All right, so this is a play we're looking for. As you can see, gold consolidated last Friday. The market was pretty much closed due to the holidays, so a lot of banks was closed. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 4-hour candles just consolidate in this zone. So next week, we're looking for some big moves. The first move will be either to break this zone or break this zone. This right here still is possible. So I'm going to keep this into play. We could still possibly get this to come back down to 1930 get another rejection back up again, and then possibly get a pullback, as I mentioned before, to this zone. Let's remove this. This play is still possible, you guys. So let's not exclude that this could still happen. Again, money management, play this safe. Wait till these zones broken. If you feel confident on your setup or what gold may do, a lot of buyers are saying gold will sell. So if you feel comfortable with going with a sell now, once the market opens, um, do so. But again, make sure you have a nice tight stop loss to break even or to take a small loss and jump into another buy or a new buy, making those profits back. Or if you feel like gold is going to buy, vice versa, make sure that you enter a lot size that's going to not hurt your account. But again, once you take a small loss, you will make a bigger profit going down here. These two plays can definitely happen. And then again, if we get this pullback and break up here, we could possibly see this come here and continue going up. So that is a play that could happen. So gold is pretty simple here. There's only two things that can happen here, really. We got a break. And again, if you want to make sure that you want to get those candles to close too. So as you can see, we're playing this on a 4-hour chart. You can play on a 1 hour if you want to, but I will wait. Personally, for me, I would need to see this 4-hour candle close above 1958 or close below close above 1985 or close below 1959 area. Until those 4-hour candle close above or below, I would not be playing this next week. So again, I would probably have a buy stop alert or a sell stop alert hit set up for me to let me know once this happens, so I can know if this is going to be able to enter into this trade. Good luck on this one here. Make sure you get a screenshot of this play, but I feel very confident in what we have here on gold. We still have this trend line also that gold broke out of, as you can see here. So again, we can still get that to come back down a little bit more, and we still get this to come down to here. If we take this trend line and bring it all the way across, you can clearly see that this still is a possible play to happen. Okay, guys. So be very cautious on, and the biggest thing with this would be just patience. Wait for patience on gold to set up and give you a clear view. And once you get a clear view, it's going to be easy trading on that one. All right. So that's all I have for gold. Let's go ahead and jump on Great Britain USD. That's not Great Britain USD. All right, here we go. Great Britain USD. All right, all right. This played out wonderful last week. Let's grab and bring this down here. And pretty much the same thing. We're going to play Great Britain USD on a 4-hour until we get these critical zones at the top and the bottom to hit, but they haven't hit. What we wanted on Great Britain USD, we wanted to see this sell, which we got, or we want to see this broke this zone to the upside. And I said, do not play any trade on this unless this is broken or broken down out. We got the sell on this one. So this play has happened. It came down, rejected this zone. We took profits and we bought all the way up to our first take profit, which was 1.3125, this green line. And then we was waiting on a rejection, which happened, and it came right back down. And it actually took profit. We entered already, and Great Britain broke my buy limit area. I figured that would happen because we still had this trend line here that could possibly come back and be retested, which it did, very close to it. So overall, this play is very successful. We're going to go ahead and clean this up and go with the new setup. But as you can see, this play happened. We had a sell, rejection, buy, rejection, broke a little bit, came back down, came back down a little bit lower. And I'm looking for a rejection here and then upward. All right, so let's clean this up and let you guys see what we have here now. Just be patient with me for a second. All right, that has happened. All right. First take profit hit, we can close that out. Rejection hit, we can close that out. So what we want to see now is we're going to head to our second take profit here. And we're looking for rejections above that or right below that. And then we're going to take that up to the sky. All right. That is the play for that buy. Again, this can continue going. We may not get any rejections, and it just might blow right through this. Again, this was our other critical zone that we was looking at. If you go back and look at the higher time frame, you can actually play this to this zone and put a buy stop above it, because if this red line is broken, which was very critical resistance, if this is broken, it's going to continue going up. So here you want to be very safe in this area. Overall, the biggest thing would be to take profit right here at this green line at 1.32,000 area, and then you can wait for a small rejection, or you can put a buy stop above this and then continue up. However you want to play it, or you could just buy up here once you're in big profit, put a stop loss at your entry, and then just let it do its thing. Enjoy your day and let this trade play out. All right. The other option we have now still, which will be, this has to come down and break this trend plus this major support we have here. So no plays on this will be done on a sell unless this comes down and break. I have 1.29,700 area. Remove that. We will not be taking any sales on Great Britain USD unless this zone here is broken. Okay. So this is the play, you guys. Very simple on Great Britain USD. We could possibly get a little bit of a little more retracement down here if you want to wait this one out. So we could get a little bit more pullback, but overall I'm already in the buy, and my stop loss will be at 1.29,700 area. And if it hits, take a small loss, but I would go in with a bigger lot size, taking this down, recovering all of my profits plus some. Good luck on you guys on Great Britain USD. Make sure you get a screenshot. This is all I have pretty much. The plays from last week played out pretty perfect, as you can see. So obviously we're doing something right. Overall bias for Great Britain USD is a buy. But again, money management, wait till you see the setup. And one more thing, I'm sorry. If you want to be very safe, you can wait till this pullback here, or wait till the zone is broken for a buy stop. If you just not very 100% sure what you want to do with Great Britain USD on this buy, if you want to play it very safe. Overall, like I said, my team, we are in the buy. That is the bias for us. And I thank you guys for jumping on my YouTube channel. Good luck again. Make sure if you want to get more details, subscribe to my Telegram group. You can jump on my VIP group for paid signals. All this information is inside of my description on this YouTube channel. Good luck again. And I hope you guys have a blessed week and outstanding trading week. Chuck is out. Have a good one.